presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Delmonico Red Pearl Coat, 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, STD, diesel gray black premium cloth bucket seats included, power lumbar adjust 115-volt auxiliary power outlet bucket seats rear 60/40 split folding seat folding flat load floor storage power 10-way driver seat full length upgraded floor console, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7 L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, rear view auto dim mirror leather wrapped steering wheel rear dome with on-off switch lamp LED bed lighting glove box lamp bright billets grille auto dim exterior mirrors Bighorn regional package Bighorn